the reality often becomes a grind. Creating content consistently takes time. Editing, scheduling, uploading, and keeping viewers interested can quickly feel like a full-time job. On top of that, there's the technical side via servers, hosting, streaming stability, and ongoing maintenance which can slow everything down and quickly drain motivation. Because of those hurdles, many people either give up early or never get started at all. Even those who stay consistent often find themselves working harder each week to keep their channel active, with little room to scale or grow faster. That's why solutions that simplify this process are becoming more critical than ever. NovaTV AI 2.0 steps in to remove much of the heavy lifting. It focuses on helping users move faster by handling the complex behind-the-scenes work. The goal is simple: reduce the workload, shorten the setup time, and make it easier to step into streaming without burning out. In this review, we'll explore how NovaTV AI 2.0 fits into that picture and why it's being positioned as a practical option for people who want to earn from streaming without working harder than they need to. What is NovaTV AI 2.0? It is a cloud-based software that creates fully functional TV channels in just a few clicks. It allows users to launch their own streaming channels without producing content, managing servers, or handling technical setup. Each channel is preloaded with a wide range of programming, including movies, web series, documentaries, sports content, children's shows, and other on-demand content. The platform automatically handles hosting, streaming, and delivery, so the channel runs continuously once it goes live. The system is built around simplicity. Users select a niche, activate the channel, and the platform handles the rest. There is no need to register a domain, configure hosting, or connect third-party services. Everything required to operate the channel is already included within the software. NovaTV AI 2.0 runs entirely in the cloud, so the channel stays online and accessible at all times without manual maintenance. The interface is designed for ease of use, making it accessible even to users with no prior experience in streaming or app-based platforms. In short, NovaTV AI 2.0 provides a ready-to-run television channel solution that removes the usual complexity of launching and managing a streaming platform. Launch a live TV channel without creating content. NovaTV AI 2.0 provides a complete live TV channel without requiring you to record, edit, or upload videos. Once you log in, the platform delivers a channel already filled with live programming. You select a niche, activate the channel, and it begins streaming continuously without manual input. NovaTV AI feature 1 fully AL access to 400+ real TV channels across 250+ niches. The platform includes access to over 400 real TV channels spanning more than 250 niches. These channels cover a wide range of categories, including sports, news, anime, children's programming, documentaries, and entertainment. The content is authentic and ongoing, giving viewers something to watch at any time. NovaTV AI feature 2 streams. AL Instant Cast High Automation Engine. NovaTV AI 2.0 includes a built-in automation system called Instant Cast High. This engine automatically manages channel setup, show scheduling, and continuous broadcasting. Once activated, the system runs in the background without requiring supervision or ongoing management. NovaTV AI feature 3 Instant Cast AL Multi-niche channel control. Users are not limited to a single market. NovaTV AI 2.0 allows you to operate channels across hundreds of niches, including health, finance, crypto, fitness, bets, children's content, and more. Each niche includes ready-to-stream content, enabling you to expand beyond a single audience and manage multiple channels from a single platform. NovaTV AI feature 4 Red AL Automatic Multi-Language Broadcasting. NovaTV AI 2.0 supports broadcasting in over 100 languages. With a single click, channels can be translated and streamed to global audiences. There is no need to speak or understand the target language, making international reach possible from the start. NovaTV AI feature 5 broadcasts. AL No website, hosting, or technical setup required. The platform runs entirely in the cloud. There is no need to register a domain, install plugins, configure hosting, or manage servers. Users log into a browser and control everything from the dashboard. NovaTV AI features 6 Brain AI custom branding options. NovaTV AI 2.0 lets you personalize your channel with your name, logo, and branding elements. This makes the channel appear professionally built and unique to your business, rather than looking like a generic streaming setup. NovaTV AI features 7 Brand AI built-in monetization options. Channels can be monetized immediately using multiple methods, including ads, affiliate links, banners, and paid or restricted access. Monetization tools are available from day one, allowing revenue generation as soon as the channel is live. NovaTV AI feature 8 Monetize AI commercial license included. The included commercial license allows users to monetize freely. You can sell access, offer streaming services, rent channels to clients, or package the platform as part of a larger business model. All profits generated belong entirely to you. NovaTV AI feature 9 Commercial AI 30-day money-back guarantee. NovaTV AI 2.0 app includes a 30-day refund policy, allowing users to test the platform without a long-term commitment. NovaTV AI feature 10 Guarantee AI designed for long-term use. The platform is built around automation and scalable content delivery, positioning it as a tool designed for the future of digital streaming rather than a short-term solution. NovaTV AI feature 11 Future Plus. When you grab the product today, you will claim these amazing bonuses from the creator. NovaTV AI bonuses. NovaTV AI 2.0 review. How it works. This section explains how NovaTV AI 2.0 operates internally. After logging in, you're taken straight to the main dashboard, where all available tools and options are laid out clearly in one place. NovaTV AI Demo 1 Dashboard. From there, the first step is creating your site. This is where your TV channel setup begins, and the process only takes a moment to complete. NovaTV AI Demo 2 Type. Once the site is created, you can update it with additional details. You can add or adjust information to better match your channel's purpose or branding. NovaTV AI Demo 3 Logo. NovaTV AI Demo 4 Meta. Next, head over to the Pages tab. This area lets you create multiple pages for your site. You enter basic details, upload a logo, and add content. After that, the page is instantly added to your site. NovaTV AI Demo 5 Name. Then there's the Manage Blogs section. Inside this tab, you can locate and control blog content connected to your site. Select the site you're working on, enter a keyword, and the system pulls up relevant blog content ready to use. NovaTV AI Demo 6 Keyword. NovaTV AI 2.0 Demo Video. Why you should consider joining NovaTV AI 2.0. Streaming has become one of the most profitable online revenue models because it leverages a simple behavior. People love to watch. Viewers spend hours each day consuming entertainment, news, sports, children's content, documentaries, and niche programming, creating steady demand around the clock. That matters for income potential, because the longer people stay watching, the more opportunities you have to earn through ads, affiliate placements, sponsorship-style promos, or even paid access, depending on how you choose to run your channel. At the same time, streaming is no longer a future trend. It's already the default format for entertainment. Short-form content is vast, but long-form streaming keeps audiences engaged for longer sessions, especially in evergreen categories like kids shows, sports, anime, news, and documentaries. That consistent viewing habit is precisely what makes streaming channels attractive for monetization, since the channel can remain active day and night, even when you're not online. The problem is that most people never take advantage of this opportunity because building a channel often involves significant friction. Content creation alone slows everything down. You need scripts, editing, uploads, and a constant schedule, and that pressure causes many projects to stall before they gain traction. Then comes the technical side: hosting, servers, bandwidth, streaming stability, and the endless troubleshooting that happens when something breaks. Even motivated beginners can lose momentum quickly because the setup feels complicated. expensive, and time-consuming. NovaTV AI 2.0 is appealing because it removes those common barriers and replaces them with a simplified workflow. You are not required to produce videos or manage the underlying infrastructure. The platform provides a ready-to-run streaming channel structure so that you can focus on your channel's direction rather than getting buried in technical details. Since everything runs in the cloud, you avoid server management, complex installations, and the usual setup tasks that often require external support or additional tools. This also makes the business model more realistic for people who want online income without turning it into a second full-time job. You can launch a channel quickly, then focus on the parts that actually move the needle, such as choosing a niche, adding branding, setting up monetization methods, and promoting the channel while the platform handles the streaming process in the background. As a result, the workload becomes lighter, yet the channel can still operate continuously. Another reason this is worth considering is scalability. Traditional online income models often rely on a single platform or content stream, which limits growth. With the streaming channel approach, the asset you build can run repeatedly and consistently, which supports long-term momentum. The more organized your channel positioning is, the easier it becomes to expand into additional niches, test new angles, and build multiple streams of income without rebuilding from scratch each time. In short, NovaTV AI 2.0 fits a popular, high-demand entertainment format while reducing the most complex parts that keep most people stuck. It gives you a faster path to launch, a more straightforward way to operate, and a structure that supports earning potential through streaming without forcing you to be a creator, a tech expert, or a full-time editor. The comparison below points out why getting NovaTV AI 2.0 could be revolutionary for you. NovaTV AI comparison. Take a closer look at the earnings proof to understand NovaTV AI 2.0's strong profitability. NovaTV AI earnings proof. How much does NovaTV AI 2.0 cost? Front end. NovaTV AI 2.0 pricing. NovaTV AI 2.0 is currently available for a one-time payment of just $15. There are no monthly fees, no hidden charges, and no ongoing subscriptions to worry about. You pay once and get access to the platform. Here is everything you will get. NovaTV AI pricing recap. For what it offers, this price stands out. You're getting a ready-to-run streaming system that eliminates the typical costs associated with content creation, hosting, servers, and technical setup. Tools and services that handle even one of those tasks often cost more per month than this entire platform costs upfront. Here, everything is bundled into a single, affordable entry point. Right now, NovaTV AI 2.0 is at an early bird price, which means this $15 deal won't last. As more users join and the platform continues to roll out, the price is expected to increase. Getting in early locks you in at the lowest possible cost, which makes a big difference long-term. To make the decision even easier, your purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have a whole month to explore the platform, test the features, and see how it fits your goals. If it's not what you expected, you can request a refund with no stress. NovaTV AI guarantee. With its low one-time price, early bird advantage, and risk-free guarantee, NovaTV AI 2.0 offers substantial value for anyone looking to enter streaming without a heavy upfront investment. Acting sooner means paying less for the same access. Who is NovaTV AI 2.0 for? NovaTV AI 2.0 is for people who want to stream without dealing with complex setup, constant content creation, or technical headaches. It's especially suitable for beginners to online income who want a simple starting point without learning complicated tools or workflows. Side hustlers are looking for a hands-off model that can run alongside a full-time job or other commitments. Affiliate marketers who want a new way to drive traffic and monetize viewers through links and promotions. Digital marketers are interested in tapping into the growing demand for streaming and online entertainment. Content creators are feeling burned out from filming, editing, and publishing non-stop. Entrepreneurs who want to build digital assets that can run continuously with minimal daily input. Agencies or freelancers looking to offer streaming or media-based services to clients. Anyone who prefers automation over manual work and wants systems that operate in the background. Pros cons. After reviewing NovaTV AI 2.0 from a reviewer's perspective, it is clear that the platform is built around convenience and speed. It focuses on helping users move forward without getting stuck in the usual technical and creative bottlenecks. Like any tool, it has strong points and a few trade-offs worth knowing before getting started. Pros: very low one-time entry cost compared to most streaming or online income tools. A quick setup that allows users to go live without extensive preparation. No need to appear on camera or create original videos. Removes the stress of dealing with servers, hosting, or streaming stability. Beginner-friendly interface that doesn't feel intimidating. It can run in the background once activated, saving time and effort. Suitable for multiple income approaches, such as ads or promotions. Makes it easier to test ideas without heavy investment. Helps users focus on growth and monetization rather than on technical tasks. Cons: income potential depends on how well you promote the channel. Thank you.